Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you call a party.
Come on, boy!
Oh, good. It's time to pick from the high caffeine side of the shelf. Let's do this, Martha.
In Laramie, there's a blizzard warning in effect until Thursday, March 14th.
Big boots.
God be with me.
They're like my 5 years bigger than
Gentles and ladymen, it is currently around 3 p.m. on March 13th. Snowpocalypse 2019. Hey guys, it's been a really good day. Class was officially canceled, which is only the second time that this has ever happened in my 4 years here at University of Wyoming. It is absolutely frigid. It looks like Hoth. Here's my trusty 1987 Chevrolet Suburban 4-wheel drive. I know it looks like 2 people were murdered in here. I picked it up for $700. For low, this is the key to solving all of your snow issues. Many people ask me why I came to Laramie, Wyoming. And I think it's fairly simple. When storms like this come through, there's nowhere else on earth where you get such camaraderie, you know? Going out to the motherfucking grocery store becomes a military endeavor.
Get pizza.
Nope.
Tristan, how you doing today? Regardless of the blizzard, I tell you, our stomachs don't stop.
Nope.
And we can't get nice fresh pizza. You know, DiGiorno think they're hot shit with their ad campaign, but DiGiorno tastes like hot. Where are we going?
We're going to Walmart.
We're going to Wally World. We're also going to Starbucks, right?
Yes.
Because everyone needs some Java to keep themselves awake. And then, yeah, we're going to go pick up some pizza. Starbucks is closed.
I mean, what do you expect?
Why are they closed? It's Laramie. This is just a normal spring day. I want my mocha tropa, but I'm not disabled. There's no one here.
Tristan and I just pushed this lady out like 8 times. Look at our good Samaritan. So she's what? She's trying to do deliveries?
No, I don't know. She was dressed up in a uniform, though.
Oh. Oh my God. Don't slam. I know how you feel, lady.
Looks like a slide off.
Looks like a slide out. Did he get stuck? Sheriff over there.
All right, we got a fella here. Let's help you out, man.
Yeah, this isn't going anywhere.
We got you.
Push patrol number 3. Oh boy, another one down.
Another one down.
Very nice. Let's go get pizza. We've made it to our final destination.
Pizza.
Pizza! I'd say mission accomplished. The spoils of war. The spoils of the blizzard. Take that first bite. Oh!